Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about science class, that is digestive system. Already we have finished in lesson number 5, that is our body. We have finished which type of system, skeletal system and muscular systems. 2 organ systems we have finished. So today we are going to discuss about digestive system. So are you seeing digestive system? What is meant by digestive system? The food what we eat provides us energy, isn't it? But before providing energy, food needs to be broken down and absorbed by the body. So that is known as the digestion of food. So which will help the food to break down and form the digestive system. Organs will help the food to break down and form the digestive system. So eating healthy food also is good for digestive system to keep healthy. It will, by taking good food, our digestive system will be always healthy. Okay, children, let us see the components of digestive system. What are the components of digestive system? So, are you seeing the digestive system here? See clearly. First, how we will take the food? We'll take with the help of the mouth. We'll chew the food in our mouth. Okay, the process of digestion begins here. Process of digestion begins here. So are you seeing the food pipe? Food pipe. So food travels down to the stomach through this. Are you able to see this food pipe? So food travels down to the stomach through this. Next, stomach. What is the functioning of stomach? It is a major organ for digestion. So food is churned properly and is mixed with the digestive juices. It is mixed with some digestive juices. Next, coming to the small intestine, large intestines. Are you observing? These are small intestines, large intestines. So what is the purpose of these? Small intestine and large intestine. First we'll go for small intestine. Which one is the small intestine? Inside one. Okay. This inside one is the smallest small intestine. Food is further digested by juices. Here, the nutrients in the food are absorbed by the blood, whereas large intestine, the undigested food goes to the large intestine. Here, extra water present in the food is absorbed before being thrown out through the anus in the form of stool. What is meant by anus? So, it is nothing but the waste should be come from the anus only. So, the anus thrown out through the anus in the form of stool. In the form of a stool. So that is nothing but solid waste. Are you observing what are the components of digestive system? First one, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and we can write it as here in place of rectum, anus. So waste, the extra water which is present in the food is absorbed before being thrown out through the anus in the form of stool. So this is the functioning of digestive system. So for what purpose digestive system is there? To digest the food. To digest the food. Eating healthy food also keeps the digestive system healthy. So you need to practice this diagram and you need to remember the parts also. It is very easy. Daily we do this work, isn't it? While we take the food also, we should remember how we are taking the food with the help of mouth. We chew the food in our mouth. Digestion begins here only. So for next, how the food goes into the stomach through the help of food pipe. Through the help of food pipe. And what will do the stomach is the major organ for digestion. Food is churned properly and mixed with some digestive juices. And how completely digestion takes place with the help of small intestine. Food is further digested by juices. Here, nutrients in the food are absorbed by the blood. Whereas large intestine, undigested food goes to the large intestine, which is extra water present in the food. It is absorbed also before being thrown out through the anus in the form of stool. That is called solid waste. So this is about digestive system. Next, coming to the respiratory system. Are you seeing digestive system diagrams? See here. So you need to practice the digestive system. Human digestive system. Next, coming to the respiratory system. So, what is meant by respiratory system? Have you listened about any respiratory system? How you'll take air? We breathe in air to live. So, with the help of nose only. The air travels down to the windpipe into the lungs. So after air reaches the lungs, we need to breathe out. Nose, windpipe, lungs together form the respiratory system. Are you seeing nose? Nose, windpipe, lungs. See here, nose, windpipe, lungs. These three form the respiratory system. Respiratory system. That is respiratory system. The air we take in as oxygen and is known as inhaled air. Inhaled air. The air that we breathe out, it is rich in carbon dioxide. That's why it is known as exhaled air. Exhaled air. So process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide only, it is called breathing. So we'll take oxygen and we'll leave carbon dioxide. So that is called breathing with the help of nose, lungs. Okay, together form the respiratory system. So see the figures also in your textbook, page number 215. So there is an activity, we will do that with the help of balloons. When we blow air into a balloon, it will be filled with air. When we release the air, so air will go out and balloons will contract. Whereas when balloons will be expanded, when you blow air into the balloon. So same like that, if you take deep breath, your lungs expand. When you release the air, your lungs contract. Your lungs contract, expand, contract. Remember these words. When will be lungs expanded? When you take a deep breath. When you release the air outside, your lungs contract. So same with the help of balloon, we will do the activity after completing the lesson. Okay, children. So now you got an idea about respiratory system. What is meant by respiratory system? Nose, windpipe, lungs together form the respiratory system. So what is called inhaled air? The air which we take in as oxygen. That's why it is called inhaled air. The air we breathe out, it is rich in carbon dioxide, and that's why it is known as exhaled air. Exhaled air. So the process what we take in oxygen, what we give out carbon dioxide only breathing. It is called breathing. Understood? So in next class we will see the nervous system and circulatory system, reproductive system. Thank you.